I like to tell employers in letters of recommendation that if you hire this person, in 6 weeks you're going to be asking yourself how you ever got along without them. That's my goal. It's rare to have a student be able to design something, build it, test it, and we offer that opportunity.
I was working on the Raspberry Pi camera and I ran into some error and it completely crashed. Dr. Bailey just started laughing and he said, listen, this is not the sign of a stupid person. You've just found one way of not doing it right.
Learn the painful lessons here in the lab before you get to something in space. Testing is an art and you just gotta have experience.
We give the students things that are not part of a generic electrical or mechanical engineering curriculum.
You cannot survive without the ability to program.
You need solid computational skills, so you need to be good at math.
Real math, real problems.
Requirements flow, that means this, and this all have to come together to make it work.
You need to be good at physics.
Implementation, designing mechanical systems.
You need to be good at computer programming.
How to do a test.
We start from the design of the instrumentation.
How to build instrumentation.
They learn about what it takes to work things in space.
How to work with satellite systems.
How to know something is ready to fly.
So the numbers are no longer made up in a textbook, they really are, this is our orbit, this is our altitude, this is how fast we're going.
There is no one right answer. They have to figure out what a good answer is.
We produce students who get our employers to come back and ask for more.